It's very easy to make a chrome nails durable and strong. Prepare the nail plate and apply a color gel polish, preferably the same color as the chrome or black one. It will make the nails even brighter. Color gel polish I apply just one layer, because this type of chrome is not transparent, so it makes no sense to waste my time for applying two perfect layers. After I apply the top coat, I cure 10-15 seconds and apply the chrome powder on the top. I let her go cure in the lamp while I'm working on the second hand. And after I refine the nails and create the final shape, but carefully for not to touch the surface. Remove the dust, and after I apply a non-acidic primer on the tip of the nails. Wait 30 seconds to let it dry and apply a top coat. Very important not to file the nails after you cure the final layer of the top coat. It takes just a couple minutes, so easy and fast, but strong and durable. Enjoy!